कौन से सेक्शन में क्या लिखना होता है, all of that we're going to look at today. And through the course of this presentation, I'm going to share little tips, tricks, hacks, which you can use and make yourself a LinkedIn expert. So first and foremost, why should you care about your social media image? So as I said earlier, post-COVID world, everything is online, everything is going digital. हमारे बाजू का किराना वाला shop has now gone online. Sabji wala has gone online. So the entire process overnight, it just went online. And in front of you is this survey from the HR managers. This is a dated survey from 2017, but even at that time, 92% of the HR managers said that they are currently using some way or the other a social media profile to screen their candidates, wherein LinkedIn was the primary social media that they used. 17% have said that they would not hire someone who is too active on social media. Just like our parents say कि यार तुम तो दिन भर मोबाइल पे लगे रहते हो, तुमसे कोई काम नहीं होना है. So I think these HR managers also think in that manner. But as a striking contrast, if you see, 57% of the audience who was polled has said that they would not hire someone who does not have a social media presence or is a social media ghost. So do you understand that it is extremely important for you to be present on LinkedIn and in the right manner so that you can boost up your chances of getting recruited in the organization of your choice. So today, if you want to get hired, it's not just enough to just have a good resume, but you also need to have a kick-ass social media presence, because the resume is not enough by itself. It is also your social media which is getting screened along with your resume so that you get the shortlist or you get called for the interview. So I think after saying all of this, you guys are like, Nidhi, come on, tell us more. We want to know more about this. So first of all, I want to know from you guys, what do you think that these recruiters are looking for in your social media profile? If you can quickly put it in the chat box. Okay, Hardik has written experience, social skills, personality, digital knowledge. So yes, you guys are right in saying that experience, social skills, personality, digital knowledge, all these things, creativity, extracurriculars, yes, bang on. I think you guys are, very much aware of things. So these are the three major things that these recruiters are looking for in your social media profile. First is the culture fit. Now, as you guys know that every organization has an innate culture. Some are very aggressive, some are very decent, sober, some, boast of luxury. So these organizations, whenever they're hiring or recruiting people, they want to know if you are a culture fit for them. So for example, if some organization is a very sales-driven organization, they don't want people who are very laid back, because they want people who are go-getters, who can just go and, crack that sales deal and all of that. Along with that, currently, like you guys are already aware, a lot of sensitive issues have come up in the past few months, like the gay rights issue, the Black Lives Matter. So organizations also want people who do not have very extreme opinion on such things. People want people who are sensitive about such things, and that is how they are also a culture fit for them. So culture fit is the first thing that people are looking at whenever they're looking across your profile. Second being communication skills. As you guys have already mentioned, just like, a resume is something which just puts across the points, and more often than not, resume is already made up by, some expert, or you've just copy pasted from your seniors. But on LinkedIn, when you're, these HR managers are actually looking, how do you communicate? How do you put across your ideas? And this gets important as you grow up the ladder. So communication skills also gets highlighted through your LinkedIn profile. And third thing is your professional persona. This is more relevant for these lateral hires, wherein people want employees who can influence people, wherein they have a voice of their own, wherein they are opinionated, wherein they know something about a subject and they are able to express that. So these are the three things that a recruiter is looking for when they're searching for you on social media. Now, quickly, I want you guys to look yourself up on Google. Just put in your full name and tell me what is the first search result that comes on your screen. So I want you guys to Google your full name and tell me what is the first search result that comes on your screen. Yes. So as you guys can see in the chat box also, in most probable situation, it would be your LinkedIn profile, which comes up given that you have a LinkedIn profile. So LinkedIn profile comes up first. So just understand the importance of LinkedIn, that even Google has tweaked this algorithm to show LinkedIn result as the first result. And as I always say, networking is extremely important when it comes to professional life. And these are the three apps that you need to take care of while in your professional life. First and topmost being LinkedIn, second being Facebook, and third being Twitter. So Twitter and Facebook together, I think, makes a very good combination as a LinkedIn profile makes. So LinkedIn is of utmost importance, and networking online as well as offline today is at the core of finding job success. So this is my first tip or secret for you guys, wherein I want you guys to claim your LinkedIn URL. So whenever you create your LinkedIn profile, I will tell you, like, for example, this is a screenshot of my LinkedIn profile. And when I click on edit public profile and URL, this is what comes up. And over here, when I have the option of personalizing my URL. So by default, LinkedIn is going to create your name as www.linkedin.com/in for India / your name followed by a garbage number. So how you can increase the chance of your name appearing first when you search for your name on Google is just click on this pencil icon, and over here you can edit your name. So first and foremost tip or secret for you guys is claim your own LinkedIn URL, because if you put your name over here, then your name is going to appear as the first option whenever someone searches for your name on Google. Okay. So going forward, now let's look at LinkedIn section by section. First and foremost is your profile photo. Now, a profile photo needs to be a professional headshot, which starts at the tip of the head up till the shoulder. So this is what a professional headshot is. It shouldn't be your Facebook photo. It shouldn't be your Shadi.com photo. It shouldn't be your Tinder profile, please, for God's sake. But along with that, I don't mean to say that it has to be as boring as your passport photo or your Aadhaar card photo. Like, please, those photos are like absolutely dead. We don't want photos like that. We want a photo which reflects you in person, something which is appealing, smiling, and very passionate. And इस फोटो को देख के ऐसे मन करना चाहिए कि हाँ यार, इससे बात करने में मजा आएगा. Something of that sort. So that is the thing about profile photos. And in case if some of you don't have your profile photos up online yet, let me tell you, a profile with a profile photo is 3 times more likely to show up in the search result whenever someone searches for, for example, an IT engineer. If it has a profile photo, it's built-in algorithm of LinkedIn that a profile with a photograph would be ranked much higher. So just go ahead and put a good profile photo over here. Second coming is profile name. And mind you, this name has to be the name on your resume. So, for example, for me, my full name is Nidhi Shantanu Mundada, but on my resume, I have my name as Nidhi Mundada. So, it is imperative that I put my LinkedIn name also as Nidhi Mundada, so that whenever the recruiter or using the AI tools, whenever they're searching for me, my LinkedIn profile comes the first. So, these all are the hacks to rank your profile higher. Third, this section is called as the headline, and the headline would include your title, what you're currently doing, or and what you aspire to be. And when I say aspire to be, this is not like your 5 year, 10 year kind of goal. This is what is the immediate promotion or immediate job prospect that you're looking at. So a headline is something which very briefly and in few words, using phrases, it describes how or what you are capable of doing and how you are adding value to your current organization, or how you will add value to where you're going to join. The next section is the current location. So, of course, you guys can update it. This one talks about your current occupation details. So, it could be a student, self employed, salaried, all these kind of options. It's a drop down, so you can select from there. And the last one has your the most recent education details. So this just gets auto populated from the below section, which talks about your job description and educational details. Now, a pro tip for you guys again. We spoke about the profile photos. Now, I want you guys to save your profile photo as your name.jpg. So, like my profile photo, when I was about to upload it on LinkedIn, on my desktop, it is saved as nidhimundada.jpg. Now, the reason behind this is a lot of times you meet people and you don't carry your visiting card or something. But then people just remember it. And I do it will not really serve you any purpose. Rather, I have put in here 4 examples. I hope you guys can see this. So, for example, in case of Katie, what she has done, she has written that she's a freelancer. Are these Java, Rails, C Sharp, full stack engineer. Along with that, you could also look at this second profile, which talks about aspiring project manager. So this person is studying at the New York University, and after the person passes out of college, she is going to apply for a role of project manager, and that is why she's mentioned I'm an aspiring project manager. So don't you think this sounds much better than just writing student at New York University? Because then a recruiter would not really know, and you're just wasting this precious space which is available to you. And this is the first thing which people look at whenever they're looking at your profile. So you want to make sure that your headline is something which is very powerful, very captivating. So to all the students out there, you could probably take a look at this and keep this in mind, and use this as an idea, as a guiding tool as to how you should be writing your headline. Good to go? Anyone has any doubts so far? All right, great. So we just covered the intro section, which comprised of my photograph, which comprised of my name, the headline. Now let's look at the other sections which are available. So about section is this section which talks about the summary. Now summary is, it is तुम्हारे जीवन का सारांश in a nutshell. So this is something which talks about what drives you, how you feel motivated, what excites you, who you are as a person, anything and everything that you would like to talk about to your recruiter. This is something which is similar to tell me about yourself, wherein you talk about, okay, this thing excites me and I'm really good at this. My friends tell me that I'm good at this. My teachers have always appreciated my attention to detail. So these are the kind of qualities which you can talk about in your summary. You can also talk about your skills. You can talk about what you are really good at, how you have made a difference in people's life, in your projects, in your previous organizations. So these are the kind of things that you put in your about section. Next comes the featured section. Okay, just taking this chat. Atharv has mentioned if we can record this session. So would it be possible for you? Well, okay, looking at the chat questions, in case if there are 3 or more people with the same name, really we cannot help it in any way with regards to your name search. But as I said, using your saving your profile photo as your name, again you get linked, you get ranked higher on the algorithm. Also, a complete profile gets ranked higher. So all these points I cover later during the course of presentation. So a fully optimized profile gets ranked higher. A complete profile gets ranked higher. A profile with relevant keywords get ranked higher. So these are the ways in which you can rank yourself higher on the algorithm. And Prashik, when you have asked how we can write about the headlines for someone who's a rookie, by rookie, I assume you mean to say who's a fresher, the student portion, it was something which absolutely caters to that. So I've already given you 4 examples and, you know, something similar to that. So aspiring this person and what you're good at if you have freelanced anywhere. So those are the kind of things that you can put over there. So, okay, talking about the featured section. Now, the irony of the matter is this featured section is a feature which gets least used. Why am I saying this? Because this includes the posts, the articles, the link to your web content and multimedia like your portfolio, some video if you've created. So, you know, for anyone and everyone who is into creative field, your portfolios should come here. Your work samples should come here. Anything that you have published online or, you know, you got recognition somewhere, all of those things should come over here because again, after your about or the summary section, the feature section comes. So just in the order of how things are, your feature section, because it comes very soon in your profile, you should be adding all these things to earn you those brownie points. Next section is the background section, which is nothing but the professional experience and education. This, a lot of people will just put it as a copy paste of your resume. This is one blunder. This LinkedIn is giving you an opportunity to put in something more than just your resume because it's giving you that much kind of character. So, you know, put anything related to your achievements. Put things related, you know, elaborate on your work. A resume is a one pager. So a lot of times you are going to be कि अच्छा ये point लिख देता हूँ तो ये point छूट जाएगा. But use this background as a place to elaborate on things. Of course, keep it precise, but make it a place wherein you talk about your achievements, wherein you talk about your extra projects that you've done, any volunteering experience while at college. So all of that comes over here. The next point is skills, which talks about the relevant hard skills, which are your industry specific skills, and the soft skills, so like your leadership skills, your team management skills, those kind of skills. And I have another slide which talks about skills separately. So let's go on to the next one. This is accomplishments. So this talks about the patents, the publications, the projects, the awards that you have won through the course of your school, college, even your career, any additional languages that you know of. So all that comes over here. And last section is the additional information section. This is extremely, extremely important because you need to have recommendations from peers, recommendations from your seniors, because that adds a lot of value. It adds a lot of credibility to you as a person. So whenever a HR manager is going through your profile, and if someone senior or someone has recommended you, they are like, अच्छा इसको किसी ने recommend किया तो इसने कुछ तो अच्छा काम किया होगा, because someone is putting their reputation at stake. So the three main points that you have to keep in mind is, सबसे पहले your profile has to be complete, then get your skills endorsed, and get recommendation. So these three things have to be there for each and every one of you, because this has a lot of weightage and will help you rank higher on the algorithm. So talking about the skills, as I was mentioning in the previous slide, so the data which is in front of you is talking about what LinkedIn has published for 2020, the skills that the companies are in dire need of in 2020. So coming to soft skills, creativity, persuasion, collaboration, adaptability, and emotional intelligence. So interpersonal skills now more than ever are important, because everything has gone digital. You will be working remotely at least for a couple of months now, and you need to have really good interpersonal skills. So use these words in your profile. So in case if you've done something which showcases creativity, use the word creativity, use the word persuasion or persuaded or collaborated. So this is a ready reckoner for you guys. I'm talking about the hard skills. Hard skills is something which is very industry specific, so there's not really much that we guys can do now. So for example, if someone is a CA, blockchain might not be something which is relevant to them. But if you have a look at it, so business analysis, sales, video production, computing, marketing, UX design, artificial intelligence, a lot of these things, in case if you're able to, do some courses on it, or read about it, develop an interest in it, that is going to really help you in the long term. So at least to start with, try to incorporate these 5 soft skills which I've put on this slide on your LinkedIn profile, in your description, in your educational description, in your work experience description, so that this really helps you to create a more impactful profile. So any queries? Can I go ahead? All right, great. And I'm really liking it that I'm so crystal clear and you guys are absolutely able to make sense of it. So yes, I'm very happy. So through my presentation, I have been talking about keywords. So have a look at this, and I want you guys to tell me which profile as a HR manager are you going to click on? Option 1 or option 2? And also tell me why. So as a lay person, why would you click on option 2? Yes, bang on. The second profile gives more information about the person. So even though both of them are marketeers, both of them are into the field of marketing, but the second one talks about the impact. The word that I used earlier while talking about headlines. You have to create headlines which create impact. So without impactful headline, you are just going to be run of the mill. You are going to be a me too person. तुम में और तुम्हारे बगल वाले में कोई फर्क नहीं. So we don't want that. We want to create impact in front of our HR manager. And that's the reason why headline is a very powerful tool, because whenever someone searches for you, this is exactly what comes out. So keywords are going to drive traffic to your LinkedIn page, and that's why they are important. And now you guys are like, okay, ma'am, what are the keywords? Keywords are anything but whatever industry you guys are in, your industry lingo is keywords. So for example, if I'm into supply chain, optimization, efficiency, turnaround time, FCFS, so first come, first service. These are the kind of keywords which I would use. As a banker, it would be the NRV, which is net relationship value. As an IT engineer, it would be the languages. So C#, those kind of things are your industry.
Hello.
You're a digital marketing guy or search engine optimization. So you search for that particular job and you will get, so for example, Citibank का एक जॉब ओपनिंग आएगा, एक जॉब ओपनिंग आपको बार्कलेस का आएगा, एक जॉब ओपनिंग आपको HUL का आएगा. ये तीनों जॉब ओपनिंग्स को आप ओपन करोगे and then look for the common industry language or common industry terms that they're using. So that is your keyword, and that's what you have to put everywhere. So where exactly do you use it? You use it everywhere, in your about section, in your skill section, in your experience section, in your interest section. Wherever on LinkedIn you find an opportunity, you have to put that thing up. So this is about keywords, and this is a list of examples. So project management, planning and execution, account management, logistics, vendor relations, profit maximization, cost control, SEO, social marketing. So all these are the keywords that you guys could use. Okay, I'm looking at the chat. And Aditya has asked, I would like to know about an IT business analyst profile. What are the keywords? So again, Aditya, as I mentioned, you would have to go through these 4 steps. You have to Google it. You have to search for 3 job posts and list out the words which describe your role. Otherwise, I could also help you with the reviewing, which we discuss towards the later part of the presentation. All right, great. So, guys, I have covered each and every section by section components of LinkedIn profile. And before completing your profile, I also want to talk about 4 hygiene checks. First being spell check. This is the biggest boo-boo that anyone could ever do, is have wrong spellings. Do not post things before getting a spell check done. So spell check के लिए आप सीधा वो जो भी टेक्स्ट आप डालने वाले हो, just copy paste it onto a Word document. अपने आप red line में आ जाता है. Just edit it and put it over here and get your profile reviewed. So even, let me give you a tip for getting things reviewed, because as you see, the entire LinkedIn profile is going to be a very big one. So if you tell, your senior or your brother or anyone कि आप please मेरे LinkedIn profile review कर दो, you're asking too much, to be very frank. So a better idea would be to give sections to people. So किसी को आपने summary भेज दी, किसी को आपने आपका work experience भेज दिया, किसी को कोई और section, interest वाला section भेज दिया. So in this way, a person has to review only a small chunk of your data, and they can really give you some meaningful advice as a feedback on it. So spell check and get it reviewed. Second, being engaged with relevant groups. So LinkedIn, just like our Facebook, it has a lot of groups. And for example, as someone was an IT engineer, आपके IT engineering में technology related, there would be groups. So, Scrum technology and Agile technology, a lot of these topics or these subjects have groups of their own. So just go be a part of those groups and don't be like a spectator and just see कि हाँ क्या हो रहा है. Try to also voice your opinion. Try to understand. Try to ask questions. Okay, if nothing else, if you don't feel that you're a subject matter expert, then at least start asking questions, start engaging with people so that you're always there as a top of mind recall whenever someone is thinking of people, of your cadre. Third, being post, like, share, be active. So जिस तरीके से हम Instagram पे active रहते हैं, जिस तरीके से हम Twitter पे और Facebook पे active रहते हैं, you have to be here because then आपका नाम पहले आते रहता है and your entire network gets to know about it. So the same rules of social media follow over here. And in case if you are someone who has a blog, who has a active and a relevant Twitter account or a Facebook account. So in case if you are someone into digital marketing and you are really putting some meaningful content on Twitter and Facebook, then LinkedIn is a place wherein you should link your work so that the recruiter or someone who is interested in you as a person or in your profile is able to see all of it. And you are what you post, you are what you share. So you are putting yourself out on a public platform, you're putting yourself out on a social media domain. So don't put anything which your mother wouldn't approve of. So no slang, no writing things like how are you, इतने सारे alphabets बचा के कुछ नहीं कर लोगे. In fact, as you advance in your professional life, it's always a good idea to write complete words. So even when you're chatting with your colleague or peer with on WhatsApp or such, informal communication, it's always a good idea to use full words because, it really shows you as a very professional person and not like a teenager. So as I was talking about an optimized LinkedIn profile. So what is an optimized LinkedIn profile? An optimized LinkedIn profile is an all-star profile, is a profile which has a photograph, is a profile which has the words. So as I have covered during the course of this presentation, I have already told you guys the tips and tricks on how to create an optimized LinkedIn profile. And this is the data. 132% increase in LinkedIn profile views. So as you saw in that example of keywords wherein there were two examples and one just wrote one word for headline and the other one really described how they are adding value. So that was a part of the optimized LinkedIn profile. So that person is more likely to get a profile view. And whenever a recruiter or anyone is searching for someone of a particular domain, so for example, Agile technology, I want to search for people at entry level, your propensity, your chances of your name appearing higher on the list is 3 times as more as compared to just anyone else. So optimized LinkedIn profile would really give you that edge. And apart from all these tips and tricks which I have shared, also follow my LinkedIn page, which is Let's Skill Up, wherein I keep sharing about how to create excellent LinkedIn profile. I talk about your interview skills. I talk about resume building. I talk about professional skills in general. So negotiation, persuasion, how do you ask your boss for leaves? So, these are the kind of real world problems and real world hacks That's where my experience of 10 years comes into picture, and I help you guys. So even on Instagram, you guys could just scan this logo or just remember this name, Let's Skill Up. That's my Instagram handle, and you can follow this for updates. Also, I believe that Sami has taken your email ID. So I do roll out a weekly newsletter which talks about the latest industry trends, which talks about tips and tricks. So, like the recent one spoke about how do you go about with choosing freelancing as a career option. So, all the kind of professional gyan is getting shared on that profile. So, follow this. And yes, my memology comes into play. And I think a lot of you guys would be like, okay, ma'am, but my profile is not wow. I don't know how to use the keywords. My resume is same as my batchmates. We just copy pasted all of it. And I'm really insecure about the content and tone. I'm not really sure if, this is what is going to set me apart. And there are too many options. It seems like too much of a hassle, and I don't have enough time, or I don't have enough experience in writing a good resume or in building a good profile. So can you please help me? And yes, that's where I come into picture. I can help you with your LinkedIn and resume review. So as we spoke earlier, LinkedIn and resume, they are not a copy paste of each other, but they are complementary to each other. So what you put in your resume, which is a one pager, something of similar sort should get reflected in LinkedIn, but in much more detail. And on your resume, you have to also speak about your strengths, so that when you get called for your interviews, it is a one page snapshot, and you are absolutely in control of your interview. So that's where I can help you guys. I can help you with an in-depth discussion on your profile. We do a one-to-one discussion. I copyright a brand new effective resume based on what is your industry, where you're working. So if someone is in an artistic field, I have an infographic resume. If someone is in a more structured or a defined field like banking, I can help you with those kind of resumes, because I come from multi-industry background. So IT, FMCG, banking, and dairy. So these are the four industries that I have been part of. I can help you create an optimized LinkedIn profile. I will provide you with the cheat sheets for effective headlines, how to be that second person whose profile always gets clicked on. And I will also teach you how to ask for recommendation, because you just asking your if you've worked with someone, it's not always easy to just do cold calling and send them a message, because that's not really effective. So with my experience, I can share that, and along with that, you get a lot of bonus material which will help you create your LinkedIn and resume in future as well. So I'm going to teach you fishing. I'm not going to give you the fish. I will teach you fishing, and you can keep that in mind. Probably share it with your family and friends as well. And only for today's participants, which I otherwise charge is 2,000 rupees. It would be a package which is available for 1,000 rupees. I've kept it at a very nominal amount, because as Sami said that ma'am, if you could do, and so theek hai. So I have discounted the price as well. And this offer is valid till 31st of July, and other details Sami can give you. So any last questions if people have, we can answer.
Yeah, we are having some questions in the chat box, ma'am, if you can get there.
Okay.
Hello. Hello, I just got a message from ma'am that she has got some electricity cut down at her place. So we'll just wait for another 3 4 minutes, and she's just joining in again. So guys, this is a very potential thing that she is willing to answer all your questions. So guys, please, extract all the information that you want. All right, she is never gonna come again. Okay, she will definitely come again if we give her a chance. All right, and she will only come again if you be a good audience and ask her a lot of questions. So just keep on putting questions in the chat box. She'll be in right now, like in a few minutes. Okay, it won't take her long because she had an electricity cut down. I just got a call from her, and please, guys, please hold on to this meeting. I can see her dropping in participants. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, you're back. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm back. Electricity. All right. So, okay. I am taking the question by Prashik, wherein he is asked about the recommendation section. So, Prashik, in your recommendation section, basically, you ask someone who's your. First of all, am I audible? Am I clear? Just someone type a okay. Okay, great. So, yeah, answering Prashik's question, um, in your recommendation, basically, you're going to ask your peer or your senior who can vouch for you, who can say, जैसे हम कैसे recommendation is nothing but कि ये बंदा अच्छा है, these are his skill set and he will be an asset to your organization. In a nutshell, in a very, very crude language, if I could say, this is what it means. So, recommendation, whenever you're asking the person to highlight your skills so that it betters or improves your chances of getting to the next level in your career ladder. Okay. How does connection number on any profile matter? Okay, Ashwini, very good question. So generally, it is said that connections over 500 are considered to be excellent. What is the reason? Just correlate everything to Facebook. Facebook पे हमारे जितने ज्यादा friends होते हैं हमें खुशी होती है. Why? Because you feel you are more connected, you are more social, and that is precisely what happens over here. But along with that, another
Yeah, I think so. We again lost her on call. It will be much better if we just keep some patience for her because she's denoting her time to us and she's taking out time from her life to. We stay for her. We at least wait for her at least 5 minutes.
Okay, am I audible now? I don't know. Wi-Fi से अभी भी connect नहीं हो रहा. Just one. Yes, great. Okay, so I was answering the question on connections, Ashwini. Huh.
So जैसे हमारा Facebook पे होता है, this thing works in a similar manner. And the example that I was giving was that, for example, I'm looking for someone who can help me out with SEO of my website. And I just post, send out this post on my LinkedIn. And Sami, for example, he sees and he says, sure, ma'am, I'll let you know. And Ashwini, for example, if you are connected to Sami and you're not connected to me, just because to my post, you would be able to see this. And if you are an expert in SEO, you would be able to, contact me directly saying that, okay, ma'am, I'm an expert in SEO and I can really help you out with this. So that is the power of connection. So anything upwards of 500 is your goal and what you want to be. How do you increase your connection numbers? आज तक आपने जिसके भी साथ काम किया है, so right from your school friends to your college, to your first job people, to your internship people, whoever have you've been part of their teams, you've worked with them, you can go ahead and very liberally you can send out your connection requests to them. Okay, that answers Ashwini's question. Taking Yash's question, wherein he is asking how should an industry fresher keep up his LinkedIn profile. So Yash, सबसे पहले तो you have to make a complete profile. That is the most important thing that you have to do. And after that, so your profile headline, your summary, you have to engage with relevant groups. आपके hospitality to engage over there. Try to be a thought leader everywhere. So that is nothing comes overnight. It is a very gradual and a continuous process. So you have, so industry fresher ka ho gaya. Again, dental student profile look like. So Afreen, in case if you are a fresher, the same answer applies to you. In case if you are in case you've been practicing, so again it depends what your objective or what you want from LinkedIn. If you want LinkedIn to be a tool to showcase what breakthrough work you are doing, you have to keep posting, you have to engage with the relevant groups. In case if you are going to use this
I think we again lost her. It will be much better if we just wait for her because there are more questions and definitely अगर किसी ने एक ने सामने से सवाल पूछा है काफी लोगों के सेम सवाल हो सकते हैं. Many people might have the same questions if someone has asked. Okay, so it will be let's wait for her because some technical issues happens. Okay, not that every tech show is smooth enough. You guys must understand that technical issues happens. Okay.
Okay, am I audible, guys? Someone please type a okay. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, yeah. So yes, guys, as I was telling, okay, someone just tell me which one. मैं मेरे हिसाब से मैं तो श्रेया का क्वेश्चन आंसर कर रही थी, बट आप लोग को क्या लास्ट सुनाई थी? हाँ, डेंटल स्टूडेंट, ठीक है, ग्रेट. So Shreya, as I was telling, it's just a reiteration of whatever I've said so far. You talk about what your strengths are, what your skill set is in your headline. You talk about your description, your educational background, your project work, any extraordinary thing that you have done in your description. And if you're looking at LinkedIn for your job prospects, then you can connect with me and we can take it forward. But apart from that, I think जो चीजें मैंने बोली है, there is not, like, there's nothing which is very industry specific which I can really share with you. And Ashwini has asked about Goodwall application. Is it same professional as LinkedIn is? Okay, Ashwini, when it comes to professional network, currently LinkedIn is the most used and the best and like an industry standard. So even agar baki ke bhi applications are available for you, it really makes sense to be present on LinkedIn because, to be very frank, to be active and to create the LinkedIn profile, as I have mentioned, that is going to take quite some time. So instead of being on two boats at the same time, it's better to be part of one, which is the most widely used application, and rock that boat. So be part of the LinkedIn family currently. So I hope that answers Ashwini's questions. Rutika has asked, how can aspiring entrepreneurs leverage LinkedIn? So for entrepreneurs or small business, LinkedIn की जब आप प्रोफाइल बनाते हो, it also asks you if you are a small business. So when you type in that you are a small business, उसके बाद उसके सेक्शंस थोड़े अलग हो जाते हैं. So जैसे एक पर्सनल प्रोफाइल में आप समरी लिखते हो, वहां पे ओवरव्यू आता है जहां पे यू टॉक अबाउट योर कंपनी, wherein you talk about what your mission is, what your vision is, what are your goals, what drives your organization. So things like that. And apart from that, again, you could be part of similar communities. So for example, if you're someone, giving a very, very basic example, for example, soap making. अगर घर से आप फैंसी आर्टिसनल सोप्स बनाते हो, so I'm pretty sure कि उस तरीके की चीजें होगी online on LinkedIn. So you could be part of groups like that. You could be part of, and you could, keep posting images and videos. So LinkedIn का algorithm में एक और चीज जो मायने रखती है, rich media. So which is your photographs and your videos, that carries the most weightage, and any profile or any post which has rich media gets ranked higher. So for aspiring entrepreneurs, it's always a good idea to include photos or videos. Then how does extracurriculars and other activities impact a profile? This is just like your resume, Bharat. जैसे आपके resume में extracurriculars बहुत मायने रखता है because it shows you as a well-rounded personality. In a similar manner, it also impacts your LinkedIn profile. Of course, no one, when you post things or when you engage online on LinkedIn, people are not going to go and check your profile for extracurriculars. But if you have been active on that front, it's always a good idea to put it over here as well. And in fact, there are groups. So like, football enthusiasts and cricket enthusiasts, us type ke bhi groups are present on LinkedIn. So in case those are the fields of your expertise or of your liking, it's always a good idea to be part of groups like that. Then Kaustubh has asked, mostly in which field LinkedIn is useful for us? Kaustubh, all the fields. Like, I will say it blankly on your face, all the fields are equally important. जितना आपने लाइफ में किया है, जहां पे भी आपको relevant लग रहा है, please put everything. Like there's nothing, yeah, सब कुछ free है, आपको miss out क्यों करना है? There is nothing to really leave out. Okay, Tanmay has asked, what should we add that would differentiate from others' profile with respect to IT? Tanmay, I have spoken about the services that I offer. You can contact me. We can take a look at your profile and we can differentiate you from the rest. Atharv has asked, how is Fiverr? Okay, not relevant to this presentation, but Fiverr is good for freelancing. So it's a widely used platform. Then Prashik has asked, does LinkedIn Premium help? Again यार मैं बोलूँ सबसे पहले आप आपकी प्रोफाइल कंप्लीट कर लो, आप आपकी प्रोफाइल ऑप्टिमाइज कर लो. This should be enough. LinkedIn Premium is just like जैसे नौकरी प्रीमियम एंड monster.com एंड शाइन वगैरह पे भी जो पेड वाले होते हैं. From my experience, I am telling you, you rarely get some really good todu fodu opportunity by subscribing to those premiums. So, instead of that, I will suggest that invest that kind of money into creating a kick-ass resume, into creating a kick-ass LinkedIn profile. So, आप जो प्रीमियम में पैसा दोगे उससे बेटर आप किसी प्रोफेशनल को पैसा दो जो आपका रेज्यूमे और आपका लिंक्डइन को सुधार के दे. Okay, Kavya has asked, I'm studying second year mechanical engineering. What can I mention about in my LinkedIn? So Kavya, again, LinkedIn आपके लिए अभी I'm not too sure relevant है या नहीं, but of course, when you're applying for internships, it is very relevant. And that is when you talk about, because आप second year of engineering में हो, so you talk about अगर आपने स्कूल में कुछ extra currics में या पढ़ाई में कुछ बहुत अच्छी चीजें की है, about your certifications which are relevant. So अगर आपको handwriting competition में first prize मिला, that is not a relevant skill over here to put. So whatever you feel has been relevant, you can definitely put that. And it's never too early to start with a LinkedIn profile. आप आपके फ्यूचर के हिसाब से आप LinkedIn प्रोफाइल बना सकते हो, and you could just get a hang of the application. Then okay, a lot of thank you messages. Then Pratiksha has asked, is it really important to add our resume in LinkedIn account? Yeah, this again is a very good question, Pratiksha. वैसे resume add करके कुछ खास तो चीज होती नहीं है, but in case if you are a fresher, if you really don't have anything to put, then you could put it. Like, there's nothing to lose. But अगर आपके पास work experience है और आपके पास LinkedIn पे डालने को दूसरी चीजें already है, तो it will not really matter. उससे आपको कोई एडिशनल ब्राउनी पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. बट अगर आपके पास ज्यादा चीजें डालने को नहीं है, सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ गुड आइडिया. मतलब ठीक है, थोड़ा भरा भरा लगता है लिंक्डइन, तो उस तरीके से इट्स अ गुड आइडिया टू पुट. एंड लावण्या, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच लावण्या. नीति, yes, it's always a good idea to do courses which are relevant to your field from Udemy, Coursera. क्योंकि अभी कैसा हो गया है कि इन सबके certifications are very much valuable in the industry, and of course do it only if it is relevant to your skill set, if it is going to enhance your skill set. So जो चीज आपने already college में या कुछ सीख ली है वो चीज मत करो. आप चाहे तो इस केस में you can ask your seniors, who are already into that industry, कि I'm thinking, because I assume like if it's a free course, तो फिर सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, there's nothing to lose. But in case if it's a paid course, then it's always a good idea to check with your seniors from the same industry. Ki, I'm thinking of getting certified in this course. Is it worth my time and my money? So if they say go ahead, so do it. So I've answered Pratiksha's questions. Neeti's question. And yes. Okay. Thank you. You guys have been a wonderful audience. You've been so interactive. Even I've had such a good time with you guys.
So anyone has any more important question? Okay, let us give them a minute or so.
Yeah.
Or else you can just push in your wishes to ma'am.
Yeah, and Sami, is it possible to click a photo, yaar? After every session, I have this habit of clicking a photograph with my group of students.
Okay, so I would like everyone to go to the camera icon below. All right. If you want to, return something to ma'am, okay, because she has given her time, okay, her valuable efforts. If you want to return something to ma'am, just as a gesture, please, on her request, I'm telling you, turn on your webcam, okay, and you will find a webcam option below, okay. all those people are saying thank you also. Please turn on a webcam. It's her request, all right? And please come up.
Yeah, and guys, if you really like the session, go on, follow Let's Skill Up. And I have just started my Instagram community over there. And what I've taught in today's session, so a lot of these hacks I keep giving over there. And of course, I've also spoken about my services, which I offer as a professional resume writer and a LinkedIn profile creator. So in case if you use it, hit me up. In case if you think some of your friends, family, or anyone who needs it. So, just as a goodwill gesture, as a good karma thing, please pass it on. Pass on my Instagram handle to whoever you think can benefit from this. Because, I am also starting up. So, आप लोग जो चीजें सोच रहे हो, मैं भी वही चीजें कर रही हूँ. So, it will really help me. And that's all I want to tell you.
Okay, I can see many people coming up. Guys, we'll see. The session was of 2 hours, okay? And like the previous session, like I completed within 1.5 hours, Google form, Nidhi ma'am was an express train, okay? With fluency of words and, clarity in everything, okay? She covered this session within an hour, okay? And plus we have given 10 minutes for a group discussion also. All right. So by 8:10 we are done. Okay. Only on a request, I'm asking you all to turn on your cameras as well as mute yourself. I again repeat, guys, please mute yourself. This is just maybe you can say it is just as a favor. We are doing it for her. I'll take a screenshot. Just stay on the camera. Many of you have already turned on the camera, but if you can just stay for a while, let others also join in. And others, I'm for you. Okay. Please join in. Okay, ma'am, while others join, I have a very, simple question. Does it matter? Okay, again, does it matter if today I'm not willing to make a LinkedIn profile? If today after the session I'm not willing to make a LinkedIn profile, maybe after a week, after a month, when things comes on me, okay, when there's a hammer on me, I think of making a LinkedIn profile. Okay, so what will be the difference between today and that day in future? That means, in short, I would like to ask you, does it matter how old is the LinkedIn profile?
It does not really matter. नहीं तो आप आज बनाओ या 3 महीने बाद बनाओ, it does not really matter. But in this 3-month duration, you have lost the opportunity to engage. That is all that I can say. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपने 3 महीने बाद जाके अगर प्रोफाइल बनाई तो आपका नाम बहुत नीचे आएगा in the algorithm. There's nothing like that. But कैसा है, be a part of it, आपके भी कुछ पोस्ट हो जाएंगे, आपको भी वो एप्लीकेशन समझने में कुछ आइडिया हो जाएगी. सो जब प्यास लगी तब कुआं खोदो, उसमें सीरियसली कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. तो इन केस इफ यू फील दिस इज समथिंग इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू और दिस इज गोइंग टू बी पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, why to delay? Why to procrastinate?
True, ma'am. You're absolutely right. And plus, I might also miss out on something after on doing that thing, during that duration. All right. So, guys, enough of waiting. I'm going to click the screenshot. Let us show all happy faces. There you go. All right. So, I hope you all enjoyed this session. All right. This was Nidhi ma'am with us. Okay. She has got many abilities. All right. So, if you want to, get in connected with her, I'll be adding her to the group also. All right. You can interact with her. I'll share her number. Okay. And she'll definitely get in connected with you with through RCNB. Okay. That is Rotary Club of New Bombay, who has hosted this event. And it is for all of you guys. And plus, I would also like to say that since we are coming to an end of episode 2, and we are dealing with the quality. All right. So if you think we are giving a good quality to you, please type in the chat box boom, BOOM, boom. If you think we are delivering that quality, that level of expectation that you really desire, that you really want, so please type in the chat box boom. Okay, this gesture of yours, makes me smile wider, as well as it makes Nidhi ma'am also smile wider. Okay, because this really gives me a feedback, okay, a self-satisfaction that yes, the direction in which the Tech Tuesday is heading, it is definitely creating the impact on the same audience again and again every Tuesday. Okay, guys, this was like really overfilling my heart. Even though there's a crowd of 50 right now that is engaging with us, okay, I'm really happy for you guys that you have been with us, even if it is 1 hour 15 minutes until now, and we have promised you 2 hours. We are still ahead of time, or before time, sorry. And definitely, Nidhi ma'am, do you have any question for this wonderful audience?
No, I think we have, earned them time. They allocated 2 hours of their life for us. But Sami, in return, we've given them 45 hours of free time. So, it's a bonus.
Okay, guys, one more tip I'm going to share with you. Since all of you have learned LinkedIn, okay, now there are only 48 people, okay? So this advice is only going to go for the 48 people present here, okay? A simple tip. All those who have learned LinkedIn right now, regardless if you already have an account of LinkedIn or if you're going to create an account. If you already have an account, paste the link of the account directly in the group. Spam the group with your LinkedIn profile link. Let people in this group connect to you right away. Okay, don't miss this opportunity, because Tech Tuesday is a WhatsApp group, or it's an initiative wherein all the people who are striving to become tech savvy, they will definitely want to connect to you, and don't lose the connections. Okay.
Excellent one, Sami.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah. So even I'll put Nidhi's ma'am LinkedIn profile. Okay, I'll share Nidhi's ma'am LinkedIn profile. I'll share mine also, because I don't want to lose all these connections. Definitely someday we are still on the growing stage, and when we grow, or as we grow, we are gonna definitely stuck somewhere in the world or make a mark in the world. I don't want to lose all of you while I do that. Okay. So just make sure we are only the 48 people over here. हमारे WhatsApp group में I want to see your LinkedIn profile का link. अगर नहीं है LinkedIn profile तो जाओ जाके बनाओ और तुरंत link डालो, because you are going to miss out on the 200 connections. We have 200 people in the WhatsApp group currently, and those 200 people are dedicated towards Tech Tuesday. So don't miss out. And I can see already people have started putting the LinkedIn links. Okay, the earlier they put, the more people are there to connect to you. Okay, I hope you had a wonderful evening, and all those, and even if your friends who have missed out on this session, I'll be sending you a personal message on WhatsApp regarding the video of the session, the YouTube link of the session, the presentation of the session, as well as a brief discussion of how you can connect to Nidhi ma'am. Okay, I hope I am crystal clear over here. And come on, guys, hurry up. LinkedIn profile banao, ek dusre ko jodo, and start connecting.
And also connect on my Instagram handle, Let's Skill Up.
Yes, you'll get the Instagram ID of ma'am along with my personal message. All right, that will be delivered to you today or mostly by tomorrow morning. All right. So, guys, thank you so much for being, everything. Yeah, Atharva, as you just asked me, PPT, YouTube link, all the resources will be shared to you along with Nidhi's ma'am Instagram handle and everything. Okay, I'll make sure I don't miss on anything. And just stay tuned for the next Tech Tuesday session also. That is going to be on next Tuesday. And I hope you